welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have got the Witch Casket here, and I thought I would just jump on because it's only just arrived and do a really quick unboxing of it. So I'm just going to open it up on the side and then go through everything that I have got. So, oh, I'm loving this bright blue. This is gorgeous. So September's Witch Casket is all about meditation and mindfulness. Awesome. I love the sound of that. So we've got our art by Tea Cake Art. And this is a Nelumbo Nucifera, which is a blue lotus. How absolutely gorgeous is that? I'm in love. That is beautiful. This blue is blowing my mind, honestly. Okay, so we have an anti-anxiety charm bag kit. It contains lemongrass, fennel seeds, moonstone, and a charm bag. This I'm absolutely living for this blue. So let's have a look. Now, I do get really bad anxiety, so I'm absolutely loving this. So, and you get so much of the seed, and their bags are now biodegradable, which is awesome. So, I mean, look how much you get. That's crazy amounts. Ooh, silk. I like that. That is something that not only can we smell and make us feel good, but we can also feel it. And you know what? That is just... If you suffer from really bad anxiety, then you know what I'm talking about. That's amazing. And then we've got this beautiful crystal here. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so let's have a little see here. This charm bag is best created when you are feeling calm and at peace, since the energy you can put into it is all important. Blend the fennel seeds and lemongrass together, focusing your intention to create a calming blend to ease anxiety and decrease stress. Sit for a while with the moonstone. Oh, it's moonstone. Beautiful. In your hand, feel yourself at peace and give thanks for the calming energy contained in the stone. And then add it all together. That is amazing, and it smells gorgeous. So I'll pop all that back in there for now, so that I know what and look at the back. When you finish making it, like, that's just another piece of art. That's amazing. Okay, so I'll just pop all that back in there for now. Okay, so the next thing that I can see, oh my gosh, guys, this is just incredible. I release myself from, and it's just a notepad. That is amazing. I'm in love. I'm actually in love with that. That is amazing. Okay. Oh, we've got a Witch Casket sticker, which I am absolutely thrilled about because I love putting stickers on my altar. Not magic. Okay. So we've got a bit of rope there, and as you think of or meditate on what spell you'd like to cast, firmly tie knots in the string as shown over leaf. So long as those knots stay firmly tied, your spell is alive. To break the spell, untie the knots. You can also tie other objects or ribbons into your knots to represent your intent, though this is not essential. Your intent is the most important thing to weave into your knots. That is amazing. Ooh, and so you say this while you're doing it. Not 1, the spell's begun. Not 2, it will be true. Not 3, it shall be. Not 4, it is law. Not 5, the magic's alive. Not 6, the spell is fixed. Not 7, chance 11. Not 8, my will is fate. Not 9, it's sealed in twine. That's amazing. Ooh, I love this box. Our tea for this month is Blue Sapphire Loose Leaf Tea. black tea from Kenya's Nandi Highlands, and cornflower petals from Albania Tirana area. Steep time 4 to 7 minutes. Ooh, okay, I won't open that yet because I don't like the smell to come out. Oh my gosh, I really wanted one of these. I was going to get one, but something stopped me, obviously because I was going to get it in this box. Again, the artwork on this is amazing. It's a loose leaf tea infuser. Oh my god, this is just incredible. I've got no idea how to open it though. I have never had, I'm guessing it's very sharp. Oh, there we go. Oh, amazing. I'm in love. I am absolutely in love with that. I can't wait to have a cup of tea now. Our crystal for this month looks like black obsidian. I have got a pendulum that's black obsidian, so this is good. Black obsidian, yay! Can help you to release negative emotions such as resentment, jealousy, guilt, fear and anger. It is a stone of spiritual harmony. Black obsidian is a powerful psychic cleanser that also works as a shield against negative energy. That is amazing. I love that. Our pin for this month is this beautiful crystal pin. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. Oh, this box is incredible. Our incense for this month is Angel's Touch. Now, I've already got some of this and I can tell you it smells absolutely divine. It's just beautiful. The entire range I have got, and I'm in love with every single one of them. Ooh, oh my gosh, guys, we have a mug. I am so happy. Oh, I am so happy. Fueled by magic meditation. Guys, oh, I love a good mug. I do, I really do. Okay, so we've got Don't Worry Wisdom Roll-On Blend by Ancient, I think. Bergamot, geranium and frankincense. And it's one of those that you roll on your pressure points. Oh yes, that smells good. I love that. Oh my days. This is amazing. We have got an essential oil diffusing chakra bracelet. Add your chosen essential oils to the black bead to carry its magical properties with you. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my days. This box has got to be the best box. The best box I have received yet. This. Just look. Just look. Oh my gosh. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible. And we've got, guys, there's so much in this box this month. Blue ritual candles, meditation, healing, peace, well-being, wisdom, truth and harmony. Guys, this is just bonkers this month. Oh my days, look at, these are quality. Absolute quality. I need to find myself a pair of candle holders that will hold these things. Amazing. And then we have our scroll. Now it's always a bit tricky getting into this. and gentle. Okay, there we go. Oh, guys, look at this. 5 simple ways to meditate every day. Breathing meditation, dancing meditation, gazing meditation, slow pace meditation, and standing meditation. That is incredible. Oh wow. I'm so happy with this box. It is just an absolutely packed box this month, and you just couldn't get any better at all. So I'm very sorry that this one was a rushed video, but my battery is about to go. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this unboxing with me. I am just rolling this the other way to stop it from being... There we go. So, there we go. Guys, I am lost for words with this right now. This is just beyond doubt the most amazing box so far. Like, what? How much stuff have we just got in this box? Like, really? Absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. I mean, look, I'm putting everything down and I'm running out of room because we got so much. And I can't even fit the charm bag and the book on. Like, what? Are you joking me right now? So if you enjoyed watching this video, I know I enjoyed filming it this time, please leave me a like and a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.